I've lived in this area for almost 30 years. I can see the changes. The plants are having a hard time with all the years of drought.
A big concern is climate change and what the effects are on ecosystems.
This last year in particular, seed production was the lowest that I've seen it since I've been out here. And I've been a volunteer here at Starr Ranch for, I think I'm in my 15th year.
Starr Ranch is 4,000 acres. We have a suburban edge on the west side. To our east is the Cleveland National Forest. We have 3 major program areas: applied research, education, and land management. I work in the office a lot, summarizing data. Everything with science, particularly ecological science, it's complex. There aren't easy answers and sometimes even easy connections, but climate change is real and happening. I was looking in 2014 for a way to contribute to climate change research, and someone told me about Nature's Notebook, and it was just perfect for us.
It's really hard to figure out
Sure,
what is going on.
Oh, we've had such crazy extremes.
It was a really bad year for California sagebrush.
Even with all the rain?
Well, I haven't been out here since we've had all the rain. There's a sense of connection, knowing that there's other volunteers out there that care about what's going on our earth.
But it's so gorgeously green here. This is just so beautiful.
We're just coming off of 7 years of drought. A year or two ago, it wouldn't have been quite this pretty. I come out once a month, make sure I've got my boots clean, and away I go. I've got 3 different sites. It's a bit of a hike, but I just truly love to be outside. It feeds my soul. I've got several different phenophases that I'm looking at. And the first thing I'm going to be looking for is young leaves. It looks like 11 to 100. I write down all the data on the data sheets. California buckwheat, plant 4. Everything from Nature's Notebook goes into a national database.
Has it always looked like this?
So that we can track these different observational changes.
I'm amazed that it looks as good as it does.
Okay, so it was about 25 to 49 for that. There was no pollen release.
The volunteers' data is making a difference. They're collecting the data the same way every time, and it's standardized.
We have to go all the way down here.
It objectifies what we think we're seeing and shows us patterns maybe we didn't even observe by paying close attention.
There's fruits, but they're old.
I've worked here 20 years and didn't really ever believe we'd start to see the changes we're seeing. We're going to lose species we already have. More dramatic with plants and certainly with butterflies. The invertebrate populations are down 40% worldwide. As people discover, the longer this project goes on, the more important it will be.
Anybody can just go out and enjoy nature, but to actually volunteer, it's an important thing to do so that we can make changes to areas that are in trouble.
Scientists and graduate students couldn't possibly do it all. They don't have the time, they can't be in as many places.
The more data that is gathered, the more there is for the real scientists to actually do something with it.
This is a real long-range project. We probably won't see the result from it, but we know that scientists anywhere in the world can use the data that we contribute